if your Elementor page is not mobile responsive or tablet responsive, then you can change it. You can just click on this Elementor or Elementor. You can see I just made it responsive. How I made it, I just click on this. I first opened this page in Elementor, edit with Elementor. I hope you know it. You can watch my other videos. You can see I just posted how to create a landing page. After that, click on this container, and from here you can select this height and width. You can see if you select this height and width, like if it will show in a tablet like this. So if I just click on this my mobile, so I need to adjust this height and width. You can see if it is selected like this, it will show like this, but you need to decrease this height like this. So make sure to select this proper height and width from here. So this option is showing in layout. First of all, you need to click on this container, then go to layout, then width and height. You need to change it properly, and you can increase and decrease the size of your text as well from here. If it is showing like too big, you can make it small, and you can also change the font of this content from here. So make sure to select your content text, and you can drag and drop it anywhere. How to do it? First select this and click on advanced option and scroll down at the bottom in advanced option. Just scroll down a bit, and here in position you need to select absolute, so that you can select this heading as well. You can go to advanced, and scroll down a bit and make it absolute. Click on this absolute option, and after that you can move it anywhere you want like this. So I hope friends, now you will be able to make your Elementor page mobile responsive and tablet and computer responsive. You can see in tablet it will show like this, and in computer it will show like this. So you can do the further changes from here. So you can comment in the comment section. I will give you further suggestion how to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.